They have been beacons of hope during the pandemic, but machines that keep patients alive are a precious resource, and some countries are struggling to meet demand. Now, a local startup is joining forces with a global manufacturing giant to boost production.
The global shortage of ventilators has been one of the biggest concerns in keeping on top of the pandemic and saving lives.
What am I going to do with 400 ventilators when I need 30,000?
As New York's governor was pleading for more, one of the biggest suppliers, Medtronic, shared the design details of one of its machines to the world, so others could make more to ramp up production.
We've had quite a few downloads, 200,000 downloads.
Melbourne-based startup JigSpace also decided to pitch in.
We saw this as a great opportunity for us to do our bit and to leverage our technology.
They worked with Medtronic to provide 3D training guides to manufacturers and users on how to assemble the machines and maintain them.
You're able to see the instructions right there in 3D beside the object. Instead of digging through hundreds of pages of a PDF instruction manual, you can just step through it at your own pace.
Otherwise known as jigs, the additional tools have been popular.
They're being used really widely, and I think the best thing is that we're seeing them used in developing economies as well.
There's no one company that can actually, meet the global demand. So that's been a great collaboration to be able to make that available.
Meanwhile, Medtronic is continuing to boost supplies locally, sending machines to the Royal Melbourne Hospital, where ventilators are lifelines to those in intensive care. Gabriella Rogers, 9 News.